First things first, ensure your yarn is in front of your work. This is key for creating the purl stitch. Insert the right needle into the front loop of the first stitch on the left needle from right to left. With the yarn in front of your work, wrap the yarn counterclockwise around the right needle. Now, use the right needle to pull the yarn through the stitch on the left needle, creating a new stitch on the right needle. Slide the original stitch off the left needle, and you've successfully purled one stitch. Repeat these steps for each stitch across the row, ensuring the yarn remains in front of your work before inserting the needle into each stitch. And there you have it, the purl stitch. With a little practice and patience, you'll soon be purling like a pro and incorporating this versatile stitch into your knitting projects. In conclusion, mastering the purl stitch opens up a world of creative possibilities in knitting, allowing you to create texture, depth, and intricate designs in your projects. So, keep practicing, experiment with different stitch patterns, and let your creativity soar. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.